Let's see. You see that right there? That's my bait falling into the water, into the fishes. Uh-oh.
What?
I said it didn't look like they were coming to get me. There's one that chased me. I got one.
Pull it up.
That's the sex. See, you see why I need Krista?
You want her right now? You want to hug her?
Not right now.
Well, you
I'm okay right now.
You always have to pull it up and get it onto the boat so it can't wobble away.
I had to pull it up and then get it in the boat so that it won't swim away. All right, I'm gonna try it on the next one. But I might need Krista because that's the second one that's gotten away like that. And I don't even like using this rod. You see that right there? That's my bait falling. So I can see my bait fall, and then I'm into the fish. And there's, oh, she missed it.
Is that what you want?
Yeah, when did you do this?
In the glove box, there's a brown box.
Okay. Here's your brown weight.
I got another one. Now this one's a good fish. This one's better than the other ones. And how about I try and flip him in here? I got, well, he about like the other ones.
Oh, I like that.
Well, there we go, JaBreezy. I got a fish. Uh-oh.
Aw. Wait, can you take a picture of my camera?
Where's the counter?
Daddy, can you do this? Because I need to take a picture of the fish.
You want to take a picture of him? You want to keep him or you want to throw him back?
I think...
Got it? All right.
This is what you want?
You want to keep him or not?
Well, pretty fish per person, so I think we should throw him back in though.
You think we should throw him back? All right. Well, we'll throw. You got lucky because JaBreezy said we're gonna throw you back.
I'm only counting the biggest fish in the world.
The biggest fish in the world?
Well, this really big fish.
Okay, really, really big ones. All right, so I gotta try and catch really big ones. Okay, go ahead, get your rod ready.
There.
Because I got another one. I got another one.
He's just catching fish, JaBreezy.
But you can't catch them if you don't. Oh, I might need the net for this one. Ooh, she's a better fish. Come here, girl.
Oh, we got it. We're
That's
keeping her.
Now this one's a good one. We're gonna keep this one.
We're gonna keep that one, right?
Let me get it
That's
back
a big one.
Yeah, we're gonna keep this one. There you go, folks. There you go. All right, JaBreezy, we got to get you up here catching fish, man.
JaBreezy, sit honey.
And then we'll put some water in the bucket. And we'll put the fish in the bucket. Okay, so these fish are active. So JaBreezy, I want you to come up here and have a seat.
Okay.
And we'll get you to catch some fish.
I already know how to capture fish.
Okay, well then I just need you to catch them there.
I'll listen to Uncle Chris. He's recording first.
He's active.
Run.
That was scary. What should we name that fish? You need to name every single fish you catch and keep. What should we name that fish?
I name him Dinner.
I'm gonna name him Splashy.
Splashy?
Yeah, he's Splashy.
Okay.
Can I use my pole?
Yep, hang on, let me get you to fall down into the fish. There you go. Yep, wait a minute. What just happened here?
Yeah.
All right. So you see, don't do like this. Do like this.
Okay.
All right, wait a minute. Let me tell you where to throw.
That way?
Nope. Yep, straight off. So, yep. Up. There you go. Up and straight back. There you go. Hey, boy, give me some. Give me some. Ain't that a lot better?
Yeah. So where's my bait?
Right there. Let it fall. That's your bait right there, and that's your dad coming right behind you. You see you, Justin? All right, Justin, I don't see you anymore, but you in there somewhere.
Where's my bait? catching 0 fish.
Got one?
No.
There you go. Your dad got one.
Oh.
Oh. Got a fish story.
Fish story's right. Daddy lost one.
Go. Hey, hold on. Have a seat. You make me nervous when you stand up that close to the edge. All right, come on, bring him in. Reel it. And now, stop reeling. And now what you do is you lift him up. There we go. I think we could throw this one back. She's kind of small.
Yeah, she's small.
Small.
She's big.
See why I don't want you standing up?
Rob, be careful, man.
Ain't too many places to fall on the boat
I think I
before
might.
you hit the water.
I think I might use a different. I think I might use the little.
Oh, wait a minute.
If I catch
Oh,
it.
yeah, it's going to be your fish if you catch it.
But you need a fish to use, a bait thing to use too.
All right, start reeling. Ooh,
Oh.
get him. Reel. You just caught this fish. Reel it. He's on there. Come on, Jerron, you got to reel him in. He's going to get off. You just caught this one.
There you go, Jabron.
I saw him when he hit you. I saw him when he hit your bait. You want to get him off the line?
Yeah, we're throwing him back in for sure.
Huh?
We're
Here.
throwing him back in for sure.
Yeah, we're going to throw him back, but you get him off the line and we'll do the intro that we talked about, right?
Oh boy.
You ready? All right, hold on. I'll grab it for you.
I'm not holding the fish.
You're not holding the fish. What?
Jabron, yeah, learn how to hold the fish.
All right, here, let me show you.
I
how
know,
you
but
hold
they're so flat.
They don't do it when you grab them by the mouth. They don't do anything. She's small.
But I don't really want to do that on that.
You don't want to do that.
Maybe on the maybe on another one.
Maybe on another one. All right.
Yeah, on
You
another
want to do the intro now then?
Now I want to do an intro on a bigger fish.
On a bigger fish. All right. He done got bougie.
I just do not.
You said you wanted to catch the fish and you caught him.
I want to hold him like from the line of the pole.
Okay.
Then I turned up so I don't actually.
All right. I'm gonna throw it out there for you again, and I will let you bring him in. So hang on. Let me see here. Okay. You see the bait right here?
You catch the first big
All right,
one.
hold on. Whoa. Just grab the rod.
This is a very light rod.
Yeah, it is. All right, we're gonna move to some more fish though. Let me try this out. Oh, there's a fish right there. Just come up to you. This should be your fish if we catch him. I took him from you. I took this fish from you, Jabron. Look at him. You see? That was your fish. If I wouldn't have messed with you, you would have caught him. You would have caught him. You could say, now you can tell people, Uncle Chris made me miss a fish. And I'll say, you're right, I did. My bad. My bad, man. My bad.
That's not okay. But was that fish a big fish?
That was a big fish.
Oh.
But you know what? It's as big as you want it to be when it's in the water. You know, it was about this big.
Oh.
That was like a world record crappie.
Okay, we should have caught that fish.
Yeah, and I made you miss it. Good cast, Justin. That's right. All right, let's see here. Why does this thing keep... Oh, that's rain right there.
All right, Jabron, make it a little wet now, okay?
Okay.
It'll dry off though.
Uh-oh. They say rain 11 o'clock. It's going to come down good, too. Go to the back, bro. Take the weight off. I didn't hear you. What you say, Jabron?
We should have had a bath.
Your rain suit to keep you dry.
Not really.
You don't think so?
Yeah, your face
I think it'll keep you dry. But I think that this rain is getting ready to get heavier. So it might not be a bad idea to go ahead and head back.
Let's